Anti-aging foods. Age gracefully, glow naturally. Aging isn't about putting creams, it's about cellular care. Add berries, green nuts, turmeric to your diet. You know, olden days, our mothers or even grandmothers, did they ever put like creams, the amount of creams, and they didn't put so much makeup, and what skin they had, it was like awesome. Why? Because they didn't, those days they ditched processed food. They had pure wholesome food. Their lifestyle was so nice. They had good home food, no junk food so much. They I remember as kids, I remember when I was small, that time we didn't have mobiles and all that, so I used to love playing, at the parks and gardens, and I felt so good. There was so much sunlight, and we used to go barefoot also and play. And of course we did, like, there was TV and all our time, but it was like we felt so fresh and nice, and we didn't have any health issues those days. Why? Because our lifestyle was nice. We were eating well, going in the sunlight, automatically we were getting vitamin D, eating good food, grounding ourselves, to Mother Earth. They say you should, sometimes walk bare feet on the mud, on the ground, because it's so good. It heals. Our body is made up of five elements. All of you all know: earth, water, fire, air, wood. So it's like, these elements we get naturally in nature, but we forget, and automatically these are good for the skin. Instead of just putting creams and just doing all those like putting, because ultimately, again, if chemical free, it's different, but a lot of these creams and all have lot of chemicals which are not, good for the body. So it's very important to, have the right kind of food and change your lifestyle. You notice, when here I'm at the sun and the lovely greenery farms, and I'm already feeling refreshed. I'm not put any makeup, nothing. This is who I am, and this is I am. So automatically my skin starts glowing when I'm in nature, and I feel so good. When I'm in nature, automatically my body feels good. I feel more energetic. I don't feel tired. I'm eating good food, wholesome food, salads, like I'm having salads, fruits. Of course, people who are facing issues with diseases, please consult your medical issue or whatever is. This is just my basic lifestyle habits, what I use, and it has improved my life by doing these things, walking in nature and just putting all authentic stuff in my body, more natural, more chemical free products, you know I use, which is because, as you all know, I've said in my past videos. You can see my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Advani, an internationally certified life coach, trainer, coach, wellness coach, and a best-selling author, and a dance exploration expert. As you all know, I had got a very dreaded disease, now cancer. And now, I did whatever was necessary in the medical, but I also I did a lot of inner work, spent time in nature, worked on my full lifestyle habits. And no one can make out, that even when I was going through the hospital, no one could really make out I'm a patient, because they couldn't believe that, I didn't have so many side effects. And I was not feeling so much drained out. I was still keeping myself active, doing what I could in terms of, eating the right food, doing exercises, walking in nature. So yes, these are natural and they are all free. Automatically glow will come on your face. But everything in nature is free, but we just don't know how to utilize it. So we have to take out time. So many people tell me, oh, we don't have time, we are busy with work, we are, have household responsibilities. Everyone does have. But tell me something, I have a question for you. If your best friend is maybe getting married, or you have to go for a function, or you have to attend some important event, or anything, it could be close, won't you take out time for it? My question is that. You will, right? So same thing. Here I'm telling you, take out few minutes, few half an hour for your health. You can't give yourself, because I always say, that you don't do these basic things and then you keep spending lakhs and lakhs in the hospital. What's the use? You rather do these things and you feel good about yourself. And when in my workshops, people just feel so refreshed and so nice. One, I still remember when I was doing something, one person had a very bad headache. I was doing some exercise, and his headache just vanished in 1 hour. He just vanished. It's like, oh man, my headache is just gone. So because we are not relaxing, we are not taking out time, we are just hurrying up and doing other things what we have to do, which I'm not saying that don't do it, but also care for yourself, care for your body, because only when you're healthy, I always say, only when you're healthy can you have happy relationships. Imagine you might have all the money in the world, but you don't have health. What's the use? You can't go anywhere, you feel tired, then what's the use? So it's very important, to work on yourself and eat the right kind of food. And I always call it anti-aging, because I don't use chemicals on my face. I do these things and people are shocked. They can't believe that, oh, you've gone through so much and still, your face is glowing and you look so nice. So these are little things which will help you in your daily life. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and please forward this video to your family and friends, and check out my website on www.natashaadvani.com. And I always say, everyone is unique and a gift on planet Earth. Thank you.